Guess how many views this video got? 100K or 500K? Maybe 1 million? No, 5 million plus. And you can do it too. Let me show you how to create viral videos like the profile on TikTok Pearl UX0. Click the link down in the description, create your account, and when you log in, this is what you will see. I want you to scroll down and find the option of video narration and click on it. Now on the idea, type what idea you want for your video. I'm gonna set it to 5 panels and I'm gonna type 3 steps to build a healthy body easily. Then I can set up the image style whatever I want. You know what I can do? I'm gonna take a screenshot of this profile and I will upload this as my image style. That way, the video will be similar to this profile's style. Then ideal custom avatar, get in as much detail as you can, and then click continue. The AI will do its magic. You will see on the top left side, you can change the background color of the panels. For now, I'm gonna set it up to black. I like it more. You can see the title and the image prompt. This is what will appear on the panel. This is gonna be the tonality that the narrator will speak. And the image prompt is the prompt which will generate the image on the panel. If you want to change any of that, you can. Maybe, you know what, instead of upbeat, I want it motivational. So now the narrator will be motivational instead of upbeat. Let's take a look at it.
Want to build a healthy body without the overwhelming fitness BS?
Amazing. And once I do all the changes, you can even change the order the panels appear. I generate the missing images. So it will generate me the images of each panel. Give it a couple of minutes and it will be ready. Also, if you feel that, the narrator speaks slow, you can increase the audio speed on the top left side up to 2x. Or maybe you're like, oh, it speaks too fast, you can reduce the speed. And as you can see, all the images are ready, so I can proceed with generating the actual video. Let's say you don't like an image, you can just click regenerate image and you will have it ready in just a few seconds, a new image. So when I'm done with all the images, all the changes, all the edits, I click generate video and let's see the magic.
Without the overwhelming fitness BS? Step 1. Start with just 10 minutes of movement daily. Step 2. Focus on whole foods, not complicated diets. Step 3. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. These 3 simple steps will transform your energy and confidence.
You have panel-based videos and workflows, script and image for each panel ready. Drag and drop them, reorder them, regenerate like we've shown, so you can build viral TikTok videos like the creator Pearl UX0. UGC Wizard helps you create optimized short-form videos for virality, and it's perfect for organic content that you want to test and have fast iterations. And no design or video editing skills are needed. You've seen it yourself how easy it was to create this video. You can test multiple variations in minutes to see what works, and it's ideal for business of all types, SaaS, services, or physical goods. Create your own viral content today. Type, click, and post videos that can reach millions of users in minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and leave any comments down in the description and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.